Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. So what do you do when something happens unexpectedly right as you're going to deliver your speech? Let's say your slides don't progress, the clicker's not working, or maybe your notes fall off the lectern, or maybe somebody drops a big dish right in the middle of the conference center. Anything can happen. That's why preparation is so important, to know your speech, to get there early. Make sure you know how your AV works. Do as much as you can, but even if you do everything, those things can still happen, can't they? Yep. They happen to everyone. So let's say your slides are not moving forward. Double click it. Try different ways to do it and just keep going. Hey, AV guy, have it be a funny thing if at all possible, because it does happen and people are really forgiving. If your notes fall off your lectern, this happened to me one time. I just said, hey, talk amongst yourselves. I reached down and I got them and I pulled them back up. Make sure to number your pages though. You want to make sure you have that pulled together. And if somebody happens to drop a bunch of dishes and it makes a big sound, you can always say, thank you, I needed a moment to collect my thoughts. Just make light of it and then move forward. The key is to not let it, take away from your opportunity to speak to your audience, because this kind of thing does happen even when we do our best to prevent it. So remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. So make sure that your play is authentically yours, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.